All right, let's do a check 1, 2.
Oh, interesting. Why am I getting a duplicate? Oh, this is terrible. Why am I hearing myself and why do I hear you twice?
Are you listening to the stream also?
I am not on the stream yet, so that would be like three times.
Possibly some echo. How about that? How about that? You have three? Uh, Very weird. Hello? Hello, hello? Three still? Yeah, we're doing like a sound check thing. There we go, I think. Try that.
Do 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 do.
There you go.
Yep, now I hear myself.
Are you still at three of my voice?
Can you say something else?
Are you still at three? Hello, hello? Three errands?
I'm not, but I'm listening to the stream and I think your sound is really low. Hello,
Let's
hello,
do
hello.
that. I am still low, huh?
Yeah, I hear myself fine. I hear you fine on Skype. Do not hear you fine on the stream.
Huh.
It seems like you're turning the music up.
Yeah. Check 1, 2.
You're still very quiet.
I'm gonna turn you down a little, and then we'll be the same. Check 1, 2.
Hello, hello, hello.
Check 1, 2 again.
Hello, hello, hello. So yeah, I think we got to figure out your sound later. Let's do the stream. Because I got to turn the volume up all the way to hear us now. Maybe it's fine. Hello, stream visitors. We are just checking out our sounds and then we will be coming online.
Be right there, y'all. Had some more technical difficulties today. So I think that's a little better.
Yeah, that sounds a little better.
All right. Cool. So, what are we doing today? Exorcism?
Yes, can we see? Do we have any mentorship? Did
Um,
they mentor you?
we got
Where do we
a
see
message
a message?
from
What?
from a person. Can you find an even simpler solution that you don't have to write two return statements a hint that you could first consider what would you do with name if it is an empty string. So, I mean, we can do that. Also, we should switch after this. We should switch to practice mode because we can't move on after. Like,
So
I'll do this.
they haven't responded to the first one. Like, where's the other one? Because
Uh,
that blocks you. Because it said 11 hours, and it's been a week. This
yeah,
is terrible.
I'm pretty blocked. I'm pretty blocked. So
Can we see the exorcism thing? Like, I feel like we should tell people don't choose this mode because it's a terrible mode.
where do I go to see messages? Like all the messages. Do I have to go to individual
Um,
ones?
is two for the only one that is two for the one that blocks you?
Yeah, because I
Okay,
can get
can
unblocked
we
on these.
can we can we go ahead and like click on this and be like uh it's cool, but you realize this locks it. Like, I'm happy to update this, but this blocks it. Like, I doubt this person's gonna come back and like fix, like, respond immediately.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh, McCanch, have you gotten that gotten to that situation where you just like get blocked? Because I agree. It's like this person's probably super familiar with Go and super has a lot of expertise. But yeah, I do too. To be honest, humble brag, I guess. I'm gonna flex, and this is feedback that I don't think should block you.
Yeah, it says this works. You shouldn't be blocked. They
Yeah,
shouldn't block you so you can't progress. So yeah.
yeah. I don't think this is anyway. Let's fix it because it's worth to. I think it's worth it to fix just because it's an interesting exercise to change it around. But let's do also what you said, Jennifer, and tell him, hey, dude, I get it. However, please let us continue because reasons. For lack of a better, because reasons, I don't know.
Well, yeah, it shouldn't block you from trying out new things,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay, so what did he want? Less returns? Yeah, you don't have to write two return statements. Okay,
And
that's
he
fine.
says end is like handle if it is empty.
So if name is empty, then name name equals what is it? You. And then we can return that. Let's just do a quick test. It's just the default name on the function signature to you. Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah. All right, so what is the command again? Exorcism upload. Exorcism. No, that's download. Twofer. Twofer. Where was I supposed to go to see the? Is it here? Download. Where do I? I guess it's exorcism upload or submit to do this. Exorcism submit twofer. Okay. All right, so I'll message him. Hi, hi, I submitted a change. Thank you for the feedback.
Feedback on your feedback. Just
Thank you for the
kidding.
feedback on my code. Yeah, on my code. And what else? We want to say something like, can you please, Mark,
Can you please unblock this so that I can progress on the next challenge?
Yeah, unblock this so that I can progress on the next challenge. Good idea. Aaron. Comments. McCatch, am I dropping frames or is it your connection? I would not be surprised if I'm dropping frames because I haven't set up the tower yet. OBS over here does not say I'm dropping, but it could be a combination of me, Twitch, and or you, and or a perfect storm of all three. Yeah.
Is the sound okay? I think you are like your rate is like every I don't know, because I'm seeing it too, where it's not continuous. You might want to, I don't know, you might want to turn your video off as well, and then it's
Sure.
just so the screen is the main thing, so it doesn't hop around as much. I don't know.
Yeah. All right. Let's do it. Move you. Let me just remove it everywhere. All right. Maybe a little bit better. Yeah. Well, hopefully that's a little bit better. I am. It is working pretty hard on encoding. Oops.
I'm gonna actually reload the stream because either it is super delayed.
Or it's fucked.
Yeah, it's super delayed. My
Yeah.
dog is having some barky bark times, so apologies. It's all real. Okay,
Yeah.
let's check out the other ones. Did nobody comment on our space our space the calculator?
Oh yeah, because we requested gigasecond solution.
No,
No.
no, not that one.
I
That
think
one's
I.
the one that's like the last one. Oh, is this the one we said this is not easy? Wait, yeah,
Yeah.
we should look at that one too.
No, I
Oh
didn't get any
no.
feedback though. So that was scale. Darts, no feedback. Space age, no feedback.
Yeah, I
So,
think we should. Yeah, let's just switch over to
yeah, let's
practice
check it.
mode.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm doing it. Practice mode. Okay. We can work through them freely. That's good. All right. So,
What is?
should we
I
go for
wonder.
a hard
Does that?
one or a medium?
What is it? Well, if you scroll up, what do the symbols mean? What does this little circle with the half circle in
Oh,
mean?
this.
Does that mean like you contacted a mentor but they haven't responded?
Yeah, probably.
Weird. So you only get a check mark if you don't ask for mentorship, even if you
I don't
complete
know.
it.
I don't know.
Weird.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's choose a medium one. See how
12
medium
days.
these mediums.
I'll put the lyrics to the 12 Days of Christmas. Okay. That's pretty straightforward. This is a medium, whereas
That scale one
Space
was an
Air, yeah.
easy one. Yeah,
Oh my
Space Age wasn't
god.
hard.
Yeah.
Space Age felt like a medium, I think,
Yeah.
from a progression standpoint. But the scale one was definitely. I really want to know if there's something better there in
Well,
terms
I
of
thought we
solution.
looked at solutions.
Yeah, everybody was totally doing our same thing. So I feel like there must be something. I don't know. I really just want to see some.
That one was
some
ridiculous. I don't even,
yeah.
I can't even, whatever. All right, so they want a function called what? song. So, oh, song. It's just supposed to print out all 12. Okay. And it's supposed to probably return a string. Yeah.
I kind of feel like you can cheat and steal from the test the output.
Who says that's cheating?
Oh,
Okay. So pretty much, oh, I should steal the whole. I'll change the variable names, even though that's not going to trick anyone. um, so really, we want string and just take off this stuff. And I'm just gonna add formats, format like substitution thingies in here, so that it's gonna be like on the %D or on the
uh-huh.
%S. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see what it. Okay. Uh, so yeah. So they for each of the days it's got like the aggregation. So I think it's just like we don't need it repeating on each thing.
Yeah. So I just need to do like on the %S day of Christmas, right?
Well, on the percent day of Christmas is a separate thing.
Or actually,
It's there's like
this
two
whole
maps.
thing.
So
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
percent day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, and then there's the map of the gift, which is going to be like on the first day it's a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day it's going to be what it is plus the partridge in a pear tree.
So really, we can just do this, right? We can do one maps to this, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Or can we do it? Oh, we can do a slice because the key of the map would straight up just be an integer anyway. Most of
Well,
this.
you want it to just be two turtle doves.
Oh, because it's the one from before. I see what you were saying.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, I got you.
yeah. They build up on each other.
Shows how much I know about Christmas carols. Is this a Christmas carol? I don't even know.
It is. Oh my
Okay.
goodness, Frankie got this in his head and was like over and over again. And so
That
he'll
must have been
repeat
annoying.
something over and over again. So it's like 5 gold rings. And then I was trying to get him to do but bum bum bum.
Yeah.
So it was like over and over again. Just this last 5 gold rings, 4 calling birds. I know
Five
I
golden rings.
it's like no, 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 we can't take it. And then it was Frosty the Snowman. Right now, it's the song from Sleeping Beauty, and he hasn't seen Sleeping Beauty. It is over and over again.
Hey, tis the season though. I saw Christmas stuff right next to Halloween stuff at Home Depot over the weekend. So,
Oh no,
you
we are
know,
celebrating Halloween for like 5 months because
the
that's how it
Halloween shelf was pretty barren. And me and my wife like to wait till November 1st for all the cheap stuff when they put the Halloween stuff on clearance. So we have all of last season's Halloween stuff. In the fashion world, we would be ostracized.
is. We do that that and for Christmas
Yeah, I like it.
every holiday. It's
9
like
ladies
just
dancing, 10 lords a leaping. Do you like my singing voice?
I feel like I'm missing some tones.
10 lords a leaping. 11 Piper's
Okay, you're doing computer.
Yeah. That's how I sound when I'm copy and pasting stuff. It's that kind of dull grunt work. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna go. You mentioned the other map, right? We have to map like 1 to first and 2 to second and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Index words. I don't know. First, second.
Is there actually a library that does this?
There's a humanized library, but it's like, oh, actually, I think it's gonna. I don't think Exorcism is gonna pull that library down because we don't pass up a go.mod. So
Is
that
it in
sucks.
Flex? Oh no.
Because we basically give it a file. We don't give it information about the dependencies. So let's just type this out. Do you want to sing while I do it? 5/5 Christmas Day.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
See, look, I'm almost done.
Everyone runs away from their stream because there was singing. What would the Halloween be? And when would we only have 12 days of Halloween? Actually, somebody was doing Halloween. Okay, let's see. Who was it that was doing some awesome Halloween on the first day of Halloween? Trying to remember who it was. They were awesome.
Is it 12th? Like TWELF?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, here it is. On the first day of Halloween, my true love gave to me Lord Cthulhu sleeping in a vast sea. It's not Partridge in a Pear Tree. On the second day of Halloween, my true love gave to me 2 long screams, ah! 1 long and 1 short, in the dark in the woods outside the window. But silence. On the third day of Halloween, my true love gave to me darkness and decay and the Red Death holding illimitable dominion over all.
Oh boy. That is a bummer.
On the 4th day of Halloween, I was given the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse: climate change, coronavirus, algorithm-driven recommendation software, and kale. On the 5th day of Halloween, my true love gave to me.
Oh, we're singing the whole thing. Oh boy.
Gourds.
Oh my.
No, that's it. That's as far as it goes.
What up, Minix Graphics? We're singing. We're singing today. Today is a singing. It's partly Halloween and Christmas carols, and partly coding. Oh, so we have to do. Oh, so based on the index, we have to go all the way back.
Yeah.
Let's write a different function for that. Verse. Day. String. So we're gonna do return equals a slice of strings, and we're gonna do for I equals day, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, and then we're gonna do ret equals append ret, and then we're gonna do gifts I. So it's gonna go backwards. And then we're gonna turn strings dot join ret and then a comma, I think. Oh, and then we've got to put this outside of the thing. All of this is prefaced with I think. Equals that. Okay.
Let's see.
So fump.sprintf. Oh wait. We're gonna do that same thing. Ret equals string. And then we're gonna do fump ret equals append ret, and then fumped sprintf on the that's gonna be index word of Christmas. My true love gave to me.
Now you're singing songs.
Verse I.
Same as the first. Worse and worse.
Return ret. Or we're gonna do strings dot join ret and then a new line. Maybe. Index word. Why is that? Oh, because I need to put index word here. Okay, let's see what we got. Fail. Oh, verse. Why is verse not defined? Line 67 in the test. Oh.
What?
Verse. Huh?
What?
Maybe the description says what we're supposed to do here. They want a verse function too? That's funny because I made a verse function.
12 days test expected.
Okay, so what is test?
What is the
yeah.
Can we go to the cases?
Yeah, so test cases. Oh, this is the verse. Oh. So verse is supposed to spit out a string for a specific index. Test.input. Test.input. Where the hell is test.input?
Wait, test so case. They're saying you input a 1 and get back a... And then you get that.
Yeah, that you input a 1. So this really, makes it verse is just... It's not all of them. It's just one of the lines.
Yeah. So they want you to return back a single line. Is that what the instructions say?
They don't say. They just say, look at the file and put your code in the file.
Let's scroll up a little bit. Out. Yeah, it says output the lyrics. Yeah. It does not say given 1.
Well, the test wants it, and I have an idea. We basically can do song, and then ret, and then for I equals, I equals 0, I less than 12, I plus plus, and then we can say ret equals append ret verse I. Just do all the hard work in the verse. Actually, we can do this. 12 ret I equals verse. Okay. So now func uppercase verse day int string, and then this. Return, and instead of verse, let's call this gifs. And then we're gonna do this. Put this in here. Index word equals index words I. And now down here, gifs. I think. Gifs redeclared. Where is gifs redeclared?
Yeah.
Put this down inside of the gifs function. Call it all gifs. Never a dull moment with exorcism, is there? All gifts. Oh, we have to. Okay. Gifts. I. Oh, day. Okay. Now what you got for me? Fail.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh,
Oh,
12.
oh, that was the thing I was gonna mention. We've got like commas and it's supposed to be a colon.
Where am I looking?
There's a like at the my true love gave to me comma is supposed to be colon, and there
Okay.
might be something else. I was noticing their thing. It's a little weird, but yeah.
Okay. Oh, so we need to do this also. That's why we got the panic. Actually, let's do index equals day minus 1.
And then you might need like a period at the end. But like it. Oh, okay, yeah.
Let's see what the test says is wrong with us. Oh. -1. Oh, okay. Um, so that's weird.
That's the first one, right?
Oh, aha. I equals 12. I equals, we're going to do this. I need to call this index, and then I equals index. I is greater than or equal to 0. No, greater than 0. Maybe. I forgot how indexes work. Okay. So do they pass the 0 day or the first day?
We passed one, right?
Yeah.
And one is one.
Okay.
So if it's gonna be zero, zero is one,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay,
11 is 12.
so they pass in day 1 or day 12 or whatever. The index into index words needs to be 1 minus 1 or 12 minus 1 or whatever. And then when we pass into gifts, we need to do I equals 11. Let's say it's at 12. I equals 11. And then go all the way down to 0.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Did I get that right?
And if you're in the last one, you don't want to add a comma.
Oh yeah, join's gonna do that for us. It's gonna only add in between words.
Okay, cool.
But this failed before. Out of range. Let's debug this.
Isn't the first one? Well, I don't know.
It's on 12days.go line 34. So if they pass in day, let's put a breakpoint here because I don't know what the hell is going on. This is going to be in the verse test. Yeah.
Does anybody see our error? Do you want to pipe up and share your version?
What did we screw up? Ha ha ha. Okay. I don't think I need a breakpoint here. I just need it in the verse. Okay, so index 0, that's fine. Index word. Okay. Now gifts. let's step in. Okay, so empty string, append. Okay, that's fine. So index is 0, which means, oh, why did it go into that? Oh, because we did greater than or equal to 0. Okay, fine. So then we leave. And let's put a watch point here. Disable breakpoint, edit breakpoint. When index equals 0 or index equals 11. So like the edge cases. Did it work? It didn't work. Okay, hasn't failed yet. It's gonna be one of those things where it's like a Heisenberg, it just doesn't fail when we debug it.
When you're looking at it, that's fine.
Yeah. This all is fine. Day is one more than index. That's fine. Looks fine. Looks fine. Looks fine. We're almost up to 12. 11. 12. Okay. Index is 11. I don't want to wait for that. Okay. Index 11. Index word should be 12th. Yeah, it is. Okay. Now we're in verse. Okay. So that's the test. Did it break? Oh, it broke.
Yeah. Let's see. What is it expecting?
Oh, it didn't panic.
Okay, so what's the difference here? Expected, actual, untilted, untrue. We have a comma. Are they actual? Yeah, we have a comma after on the 12th day on the 12th of Christmas. We are missing on the 12th day of Christmas. We're missing day, and there's a comma. And we got to remove the comma after Christmas.
Okay. Are we going to get a panic again? We got a panic. Where? Where? Okay, line 34. So let's do line 34 and then put a watch point for when it's -1. I get it. Okay, line 34. Conditional breakpoint. Index equals -1. All right, so now debug. What do we need to debug? Verse. Let's debug verse. It didn't. Did it not hit it?
What's under breakpoints, that little area to the left? What does that show you with the red? Does that expand out?
Nah.
What does the 34 mean? Oh, it's just saying that's the 34 is. Never mind.
Line. Okay, so test verse didn't crash us, but it didn't even hit that breakpoint. So what about song? Okay, song did it. So day is 0. Day is 0 in that case. So for song, they're passing in.
They want the whole thing?
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, because song does this. Song starts at 0. So we need to do ret I equals verse I plus 1 because verse expects the day, not the index. And the day is 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 12. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I think. Just I shouldn't even say I think anymore. It's just implied. Fail. At least we didn't panic.
Okay. Okay. 12 days
Oh, we have to put an
expected.
and. We need an and at the end. Um, so inside of here, verse, if day is greater than 1, that means we need to put an and at the last. Oh, here actually. If index
Yeah.
is greater than. Oh, no. Yes. If index is greater than 0, we need to make sure we put an and right before the last gift. So if index greater than 0 and I equals 0, meaning we're at the last one, we're going to say to append equals all gifts I. And then if we're at the last one and there's more than one, then to append is going to equal and that gift. And we're going to fancy this up. Okay. And then are we supposed to have a comma before the last one?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now what? Expected. Actual. We still got an and on the when there's only one. So we got that logic wrong. Index greater than 0 and I equals 0. Really? Let's do a watch point here for when index is 1. See how that logic works. Oh, actually, index is 0. See why that logic is not working. Fine, that's fine. Index is 0. To append is a partridge in a pear tree. Index greater than 0 and I equals 0. No. Cool. Okay. So actual ends up being on the first day of, wait. So that's fine. So test verse succeeds. It's test song that's messed up. All right, so index equals 0, I equals 0, to append all gifts, blah, blah, blah. We skip the if, okay. Song succeeds too.
Let's do it. Let's look at this again. So why does it say on the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me and a partridge in a pear tree, two turtle doves, three French hens, four calling birds? It's backwards.
Oh, I see. So we need to do not I equals 0. Wait.
Wait, let's look at the wait. Why does the yeah? So something yeah.
Are we putting these in order?
Yeah, I
12
think that's the
drummers drumming,
problem.
blah,
It
blah. No, but that's what I thought. Because we're saying if there's more than one and we're on the last one, meaning a partridge in a pear tree, right?
Yeah, but we want to put it on the end, and it's showing up at the beginning.
Yeah. So that's I thought that logic was right.
You want to put it on, no, so you want to put
Oh,
and
it's just
at the
straight.
end.
Oh, but the whole thing is backwards, not just the and.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, you're saying I thought you just meant the and. Okay. So
No, no, I
why?
was like, it's completely reversed. I
Yeah.
don't know how it's doing that. I
Ret
don't
I
understand.
equals to append. So I is going to start at 11, and we're taking out 12 drummers drumming from all gifts. And then we're saying if we're at 11 or 10 or 9 or all the way up to index 1, we're going to put an and. Oh, we only want the last. Oh, yeah. Okay. So if we're anywhere from 11 to 1, you skip over the if, so you don't put an and in. And then you append or you add 12 drummers drumming to the return. And then you join all the returns together at the end of the day. I don't know. Let's take this out and put a breakpoint on everything. So we need to do song because that's the one that gets them all back. So now index is 0. That one doesn't matter. Index is 1. Okay, so to append is 2 turtle doves. Now ret has 2 turtle doves at index 1, and then index 0 is not filled in yet. So now partridge in a pear tree is into append. We go into the if, and now ret has 2 turtle doves. Oh, okay, so that's the reason. We should import. We need to put them into ret in backwards order, like you said. Sorry, I'm dumb. Okay, so
No,
I
you're
equals.
not dumb. That's not allowed. We're not allowed. No.
Okay, so I equals 0. I less than 12. That's fine. Debug a session. You're good. Okay. Okay. I think we can just YOLO it and fail. Okay. I equals 0, I less than 12, and we're getting our panic on line 56.
Well, we're doing I equals 0, I is less than 12, and we're doing I minus minus. So that's not going to
Ah,
work.
you're right. Okay. Duh. Again. Index out of range 1 with length 1. And that's on line 60 this time. Oh, because. Yeah. Index plus 1. If we pass. I am just going to do this a little bit more simply. Like I did before. Ret equals append ret. Okay. Okay. 12 drummers drumming, so on. And then what did we return? Still
And a
backwards.
partridge in a pear tree.
Oh, and
Let's see.
I know, I think I know why. No, I don't know why.
Should it be the way that the return is? Okay, it's saying append return to append. To append is the gift. And then at the end, we're saying join, return.
So we need to start at the back of all gifts. So we do need to start at index, and we need to go all the way down to 0, like we were doing before. Because we need to have, let's say index is 1.
1. You want to go down to, you want just 1.
Yeah.
And if you're 12, you want to go 11 to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah. But ret, we can't put it into ret I. We need to put it into ret the other side of I. So if I is 11, we need to put it into 0. If I is 10, we need to put it into 1. If I is 9, 2. Oh, so we need to put it into len all gifts minus I equals to append. So that will mean if I is 0, then we'll put the 0th element in all gifts at the end, which is what we would want, because a partridge in the pear tree needs to be last in the thing. Let's try it. Index out of range 12. Is it really? Oh, yeah. Because it's all 0 based. We always forget that. Huh? I got nothing now.
Okay, I feel like we've turned it into something a little too complicated here.
Yeah,
This
probably.
is a medium. Okay, so the goal is just talking out loud. We have a list of gifts, and we just want to cycle through on a specific day the total number, the total list backwards. So if I'm on the 10th day, I want to do 10 Lords of Leaping, 9 Ladies Dancing, down all the way at the end. The challenge we had is it was working fine, and we were doing it in the correct order, and we just forgot the and a. So can we back out of all the changes we've made before the and a or and? Will that work?
I don't know how to back all that stuff out because we're not using Git.
Oh.
Yeah, we're using exorcism version control.
What if you just is it what, Alt Z?
That's a lot of it. Here we go.
Command Z.
I think we should not do that.
Okay.
Because, yeah. So we have to make a distinguishment between the index into these arrays and the day. So the day is going to be 1 to 12. The index needs to be 0 to 11. So ret I equals verse I. Verse is going to be an index then, because I is index. And so the index word is going to be in the index into index words. And then
gifts index.
Yeah. So that means gifts is going to take an index as well. Oh, but is verse going to take a day? Is verse going to take the day? test.input, those are 1. They'll start at 1. So verse takes a day, and then it translates into an index. And that means up here, we're passing in verse as an index, so we need to pass it in as a day. Day is 1 base, index is 0. Okay. So now the kicker is down inside of gifts. So it's all index based, 0 based. And so, like you said, we have to start at the end. So starting at index, going all the way down to 0, including 0, and then counting down. So our challenge here is we have to put it at the mirror location inside of ret. So if we're at index equals 11, or I equals 11, we need to put it into item 0 inside of ret. So we need to figure out what is the ret index. Yeah. Am I on the right track here?
So why do we need to like? I think that's what I'm confused about. Why do we need to make rets be? Does it have to be that way in order to join it at the end?
Yes, it
Because
has to be a list.
because we can still like, so say we join it, like do it just the same way, and then we print it out, go in reverse.
Print it out, go in reverse. So you mean if
instead of trying to calculate the index backwards.
So if we did that, okay. Oh, and then did another loop, you mean?
Yeah, and then if that works, then we can refactor and make it nicer. And if it doesn't work, we know that we're still in the wrong track.
Yeah. Okay, so we're putting the phrases in backwards, which means partridge in a pear tree is going to be 0. So now we want to go. We still have the same we still have the same problem though. We would have to go from
let's go ahead and run it and see the failure, like deleting the 4i. Let's just make sure it's not out of bounds again.
Okay. Ret. I needed to do this. I don't think this one will. Yeah. Expected, actual. Oh, no, this is right.
Yeah.
So we just need the and.
Yeah. See, we're back to the not with the and. Yay.
Oh, okay.
See?
Well,
see?
Damn. All gifts.
So something about our logic with the and, like, did something weird.
Yeah. So we want to put an and on if we're at partridge in a pear tree, and also if there's more than one, because we don't want to say my. So
did you just did you just add the to append there?
Yes.
I think that's where we're having the problem.
Okay. So should we say?
Let's go ahead. If.
Well, let me try one thing.
Okay.
I'm going to keep that, and we're going to say index greater than 0. don't think we ever tried this, but
Can you make it
keyword think.
an else?
Sure. Ah.
And then what's to append up here?
I'll get rid of that. Okay. So expected actual 12 drum strumming, blah blah. Oh, so we just got some
We need a period at the end.
Oh, okay. Bah. And oh, then for songs. No, we don't want to put it. Oh, wait.
Oh, I think that's the right place.
Oh, okay. What else? Expected and actual.
Nine ladies dancing. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and oh, I think you need to copy paste this in the line. I'm not. Oh wait, let's see. On the first day of
I can just diff it.
Christmas. So, oh wait, I see what it is. We have a first day. We're missing day and removing the comma. This is one of the first things we did. So we need to say on the first day after the %s on the first day, line 33, yeah. And then remove that comma. Which is incorrect.
Hey!
Woohoo!
Okay, let's put some documentation here. Song returns the lyrics to the days of Christmas.
I'm really curious if you can actually use Git with this and if that will bug out Exorcism, because it would be nice to be able to roll back and be like, okay, what did we actually do to make it do it reverse with our ants?
Returns the line. It would be nice. I did it for Elixir, but it was kind of annoying to deal with basically two versioning systems. So I stopped. What does verse do? Oh, verse returns a single line for the in the days of Christmas carol according to the given date.